And we are in front of the new Robeta Helios for the 2025 model with a big difference. We have the new Sky Up that we checked earlier, and actually it's lifting up all the way around. Pretty nice design. And we have the actual spec list price of 127,000 euros with a starting price of 107 euros. And if we go around, we can check that slightly some different approach like that. So we have a lifting bed and probably with cables, so you can lift up the bed, getting much more space on the back. And this is pretty nice for your bikes. I can measure and we can check how much space do we have left. If we go here, we have 1.33. From that side, if we measure to that point, let me check again, 1.4. And on the widest part, we have just 0.47. And if we measure the bed, we are looking at approximately nothing. Oh my god. 1.4. Well, not bad at all. So you can lift and lower the bed.
Viele sagen, ich brauche diese Felgen nicht, ich brauche das Abstelldach nicht und so weiter. Ne?
Sorry.
Da sind schon ein paar.
But if we enter inside, we can check the two guards. Okay. And these are the spec slicks until we wait to check inside. And there's also a double sitting situation right up there, but the main part is the Sky Up pop-up bed that's going all the way up. And I will enter this waiting pretty good. Just like standard Robeta design with this pop-up roof from Sky Up that actually making a second room up there without no problems. Kitchen set and the other thing is pretty standard, but it looks like a great camper van.